We're messing with the 240 today. We test fitted some wheels.
You really couldn't break that?
With some offset, and now we're gonna see.
Couldn't break that, kids.
I couldn't break this muffler. So we're unscrewing the muffler right now just to see how it sounds like. Oh man, I'm kinda excited. I am hoping it won't sound nice. But yeah, and this is pretty clean, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, here's the gun. Are you on the second one already? Oh no.
I didn't break it yet. This one's too big.
It's a loud airplane. But yeah, we have a lot of plans for this. See, BC Racing coilovers. So we just got the two bolts loose. The left one's off, the right one's loose. And we just had to take this off, and it should come off the studs of a fully stock exhaust. Wow, it's pretty clean under here.
It is.
And wow, it's really clean. I'm really surprised. We just got it off. So happy it was not rusted. And we are muffler free. Let's see. Muffler, well, it's like halfway off, but same effect. Alright, so this is the 240 with the muffler, stock muffler on. Stock muffler. Alright, we're about to start it up. Let's see what it sounds like. Oh man. It sounds really nice. Yep. Alright, one time pretty hard.
Imagine it with a straight pipe.
Dude, it will be soon. Alright, so we're just gonna slide this back on because that is super ricer if I wanted to keep it off. So that'll conclude our video today. We're just trying messing around with the 240 whatever. And we did try on these wheels right here. Those are tight. The offset was really aggressive though, and it stuck out like a good ½ inch. But that's pretty much it. Just a quick video for this week, and we'll see y'all in the next one.